Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mohsin. In today's lecture, we will understand three window functions: rank, dense rank, and row number. So for that, I have made a table named ranking. First we execute this. After that, we are putting some data. Now let's see what is inside the ranking. Select all from ranking. Now you can see we have ID, department, name, score. First we will start with a row number function. So for that we will use select all comma row number over over this score column, right? Order by score column in ascending order from table ranking. We can name this output as rank, row rank. So you can see we got the output. You can see in row rank function, what is the syntax? First of all, you need to type row number as it is, bracket open close, same to same, over what column? This is score column. For that I mentioned order by score ascending order, least to max, right? Ascending means least to max. You will see the values, and we named this output as row rank. So you can see we got values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Means when you use number function, values assigned for each row. Remember, for every row you will get a unique assigned number. Okay, now so next we will see rank function. For that, rank over order by score table ascending. We will name this output as rank. Okay, now let's see what we get. So you can see when we used row number, we got unique values for each row. But when we used rank function, we got some duplicate values, and you can see we have 2 times 80 80. We got rank 1, and again we got rank 1. Definitely we will get the same ranks, but you can see rank 2 is not available. So this is the problem with rank function. So you can see we have 2 times 1, but not but we don't have 2 rank 2, right? This is the rank function. Now I will show you how dense rank works. Dense rank over order by score column ascending. We will name this output as dense rank. Let's see what happens. Now you can see we got same rank for duplicate values 80 80. We got 1 1, and after that we got 2, right? Dense rank never skips values, but in rank function you will find that numbers are not available. So you can see in rank function, for same values you got the same rank, not the issue. But for the next number, it skips the series, right? It starts with 3. In dense rank, if you get same rank for 2 numbers, because 2's values are same, but the next number will be 2, not 3. You can see, right? This is the difference between row rank, and dense rank. Rank skips the numbers, but dense rank never skips the number. This is the difference. And if you want, you can use partition by in all 3 functions, so you will get partition wise values. Okay, This is very simple concept. So it is done for today. Thank you.